You know the usual tax rules: income, sales, property, capital gains, the boring stuff. But around the world, things get weirder. From shadow taxes to witchcraft levies, yes, really, governments have found creative, bizarre, and sometimes downright funny ways to raise money. So in this video, we're diving into the strangest tax laws on the planet, what they are, where they come from, and what they say about how humans really spend their money. Let's get into it. First up, Germany's church tax. If you're officially registered as Catholic or Protestant in Germany, you pay an extra 8 to 9% income tax just for being part of the church. It's not optional. It's automatically deducted from your paycheck. The money goes straight to the religious institution used for salaries, schools, and services. Want out? You must formally deregister in court, and some people lose church access in the process. Weird? Maybe. But in Germany, religion and taxes go together by law. Next one's wild. Cow flatulence tax in Denmark. Yep, the government is officially taxing methane emissions from cows because climate change. Starting in 2030, farmers will pay per cow based on how much methane their livestock produces. Burps, gas, all of it counts. Why? Because livestock emissions are a major contributor to greenhouse gases. Denmark's move has global eyes on it, with Ireland and New Zealand considering similar rules, taxing climate pollution one burger at a time. The UK's window tax. Back in the 1600s, the British government taxed homeowners based on how many windows their house had. More windows meant more light, which usually meant more wealth. So naturally, more tax. To avoid paying more, people bricked up their windows. No joke, they gave up sunlight just to save money. Even today, some older buildings in England still have bricked up windows. That's not a renovation mistake. That's 300-year-old tax avoidance still written into the walls. The witchcraft tax. In 2011, Romania made it official. If you earn money through spellcasting, fortune-telling, or tarot card reading, you have to register as self-employed and pay taxes like everyone else. The law came with real consequences and real backlash. Some witches reportedly cursed government officials in protest, but the law stood. Magic might be mysterious, but tax liability? That's crystal clear. Let's talk about the U.S. candy tax, based on flour. Sounds silly, but it's real. In several U.S. states, whether a sweet treat gets taxed depends on flour. If a snack has flour, like Twix or Kit Kats, it's classified as food. No flour? That's candy. Why does it matter? Food usually isn't taxed. Candy usually is. So, chocolate-covered almonds? Taxed. But chocolate chip cookies? Not taxed. This has led to confusion in stores, courts, and even among tax professionals. In the U.S., what goes in your candy might affect your bill. And finally, the internet tax uprising. In Hungary. In 2014, Hungary proposed a new tax law that would charge people for using the internet. Yes, a tax for every gigabyte of data used. The backlash was massive. Tens of thousands hit the streets to protest what they saw as an attack on digital freedom. Within days, the government scrapped the idea. The message was clear: you can tax a lot of things, but don't mess with the internet. Taxes aren't just about numbers and spreadsheets. They reflect culture, politics, priorities, and sometimes desperation. From bricked-up windows to taxed cow burps, governments will always find ways to generate revenue. If it moves, breathes, eats, posts, browses, or casts spells, it might just get taxed. And here's the real takeaway. Weird or not, tax laws matter. Some are outdated, some are clever, some are just bizarre. But every one of them can shape how and where we live, earn, and spend. The more you understand them, the better prepared you are. Because even strange taxes are still taxes. If you found these weird tax rules surprising or kind of hilarious, comment and hit that subscribe button now. It's 100% tax-free for now. See you in the next one.